inaugurate the 14th OIC Ordinary Session chaired by the custodian of the two holy mosques, King Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud. His Majesty is now at the entrance of Al Safa Palace to receive other Arab leaders, heads of Islamic states participating in this summit.
We can see arriving Imran Khan, the Prime Minister of Pakistan, who is heading the Pakistani delegation in the 14th OIC in Mecca. And of course, we can see the custodian of the two holy mosques, King Salman bin Abdul Aziz Al Saud, receiving him.